Hey everybody, this is a quick orientation video for class. Um, this is for physical science, so you can watch this video just to kind of give you an idea of basic things for the class, but I'm going to go through a little bit about me and basically our homepage, because after you go through the homepage, you'll see there are other videos that you will be using to kind of look at individual types of assignments, parts of Canvas, things like that. So first off, again, this is physical science. I'm Miss Mooney. It's nice to introduce myself, meet you guys. I'll get to know you guys a little bit throughout the first week and then continually through the semester. This is my 10th year of teaching. I normally teach chemistry, AP chemistry. Physical science is my second class that I like to teach. And I graduated from UNC Greensboro in 2013. Fix that. I graduated and went to Greensboro in 2009. But I graduated from Greensboro in 2013 with a degree in biochemistry, and I just this summer finished my master's degree in chemistry from UNC Wilmington. So I'm excited about that. And I want to see you succeed in this course because I enjoy the material in this course. So I want you guys to enjoy it. So one way to do that is to see that you are trying, you're successful, you're wanting to learn. So please make sure you contact me if you have any questions, concerns, anything I need to help you with. I will be glad to do that as well. Also, I am doing this in student view so that it should look like what you see when you log on to Canvas. So a little bit about the course itself. Physical science is a high school science course. This is in a branch for one of the three sciences you are required to have as a graduation requirement. You must have earth, environmental, biology, and then a physical science. So that would be either chemistry, physics, or physical science. So this is one that helps you to understand some foundational concepts in science. It will help you with content knowledge if you plan on moving into higher level science courses like chemistry and physics. Those are a little bit more in depth. So some people do take this course to prepare for those other courses. Just like any other high school course, it is, for this county, it is an 18-week-long course, and it actually consists of 10 content modules. I did change that. I used to teach this in 8, but now it is in 10. A benchmark practice exam, and these little things that I'm fixing, I'm going to go in and fix after this video. I should have done it before I started. Sorry. A benchmark practice exam that I will supply for you, and then a cumulative exam at the end. And you will have a lot of in-person activities that you'll be doing, but you also will have some online components. So just kind of be prepared for both. You need to make sure your computer is charged daily, that you come in ready to work on your computer, but you also come in with paper, pencils, pens, whatever you might need, because you're going to do a little bit of both every day. By the end of this course, also I'm going to add to that. If you have headphones that can like Bluetooth hook to your Chromebook, or you have like old school headphones, you might want to bring those as well, because we will have videos and things to watch during class. But you might be on a different video than someone else, so it'll be easier if you have your own headphones. By the end of this course, I hope that you're confident in what you've learned, that you can express the content knowledge that you've learned in a way that shows that you've learned it, and that you understand what you're talking about. This course is on mastery grading scale, so you will have multiple attempts on certain assignments to achieve mastery learning, and for that, or for me, that is an 80% or greater. So you will have multiple attempts on lesson assignments. They may not be the same assignment, but you will have multiple attempts to prove that you are grasping the concepts. Not on every type of assignment. I will do certain things differently for tests, or projects, things like that. But be prepared to get opportunities to increase your scores. Each module is also considered work at your own pace within the module. So that means that you can work as quickly or as slowly as you need to understand the content within that module window. So if the module starts on a Monday and then your test is the following Friday, so let's say it was like a 2-week module, anytime during those 2 weeks, you can work on a lesson in that unit. So you may be on lesson 4 by day 2, or you may be on lesson 4 by day 7. Okay. So as long as you get everything completed by the test day at the end of the module, it will all be considered on time. So nothing will be late. So that just kind of helps because you get multiple attempts. So I don't want you to be punished because you are trying to do better in the course. If you get a little lazy and you fall behind in a unit and then you don't get everything done by the test day, that's when things will start to count as late credit. Okay, I will have a supplied schedule. I'm still working on that because, like I said, I did go from 8 to 10 units for this course. So I am still working on the schedule, but once I have that, it will be posted on here. I'll try to supply one for you, all that good stuff. This little Bitmoji, this is what I used to kind of look like, but less cartoony. And you'll see this will be down here, this actual video, so you can go back and watch it anytime you need to. Will be on this screen as well. Now let's go over some important tabs, which you can see over here, these blue tabs on the left that you will want to use pretty regularly in the course. So the first one will be your home button. And when you get to Canvas, this is the page it will take you to every single time. It's where you'll see the course description, get to know a little bit about me. You'll have your syllabus links, which I'll show you at the bottom. And it's just a good starting point to kind of get you ready for the class. You'll also have the announcements tab. If you look over here, it is not showing up right now, and that's because I have no announcements posted. By the time this course starts, I will have like a quick comments, questions, concerns post on the announcements. So it will be viewable by then. But on the announcements tab, this is where if I need to get a hold of the entire class to let you guys know something, that's where I will go. I know you guys will probably see that before you see an email, so I will put stuff on there, the announcements. Probably the most important tab for the entire course is the modules tab. When you go here, you'll be able to see units for the entire course, assignments for the course, broken up the specific way that they need to be broken up, all that good stuff. And then you can expand and close each module if you don't want to see more than one at a time. So like some people get a little overwhelmed when they see them all. I will probably have them published all from the beginning, but you will have prerequisites you've got to get done before you can move on to like the next units, things like that. So please make sure you are kind of aware of that, looking through those things. And then you also have your discussions tab. This is where actually your first assignment, quote unquote, will be, is in the discussions. I may put some discussions here or there throughout the unit or throughout the semester, so just kind of be prepared for that. Most of these, though, I think will just take place in person in class. And then you also have your grades tab. So your grades tab will be good if you want to just kind of see your mastery progress. How are you doing? What are you successful at? What do you need to go back and try again? Things like that. And what are you missing? That's a big one. You will have a link to the full syllabus here. I know it has it kind of highlighted, but I'm working on modifying it from my chemistry syllabus. So I am still working on that, but it will be linked up to your physical science. Oh, I'll have to go back in and add these to your physical science syllabus. Here, you will have a bunch of different buttons. I don't know why they're not working, but I'll go in and add those again in a minute. But you will have different buttons here labeled, as you can see with my mouse is hovering, it says text information and course goals, things like that. So you can click on each of these and they actually break down the syllabus into like bite-sized chunks. So this link up here will be to the entire syllabus as one giant document. I'm also going to supply for you a paper copy that is like a little brochure, quick information, that kind of stuff. But here you can look at the big chunks, and you'll see these when you have access to the class, and they will be actual buttons that you can click on. I'm sorry, I don't know why they're not showing up right now, but they will be buttons by the time we start the course. And then as you finish up reading this, it tells you what you need to do first. So you've completed looking over the syllabus. That's your big first day of information. Do that first. And you can go to the modules tab and look over the how-to videos in module 0. So some of that stuff is going to be easy. How to use modules, how to turn in assignments, how to do this, how to do that. Things you've done before on Canvas. But there might be certain things that you've never done before. How to turn in a virtual lab, how to turn in an interactive notebook online, things like that. So you will want to watch those videos as well. They will be posted through the entire semester, so if you ever need to go back and look at them, you can. You'll also see in Module 0 that you have your first activity that you will need to do, which will be due by the end of the first week of class. Okay, so like I said, I'll go back in and make some of these adjustments, but you'll see it. You'll be able to kind of go through those as we need to.